So, when does work blue ever take off and become holiday blue? Or off blue? What's going on, everyone? My name is John, you're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max 1 Premium Work Blue. Now this is a colorway that just kind of randomly popped up. It's got a variety of materials on the shoe, and it's also got the mini swoosh on there, which I'm not a big fan of, but the colorway overall is a very clean colorway. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is Work Blue and Mountain Blue. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features, like I said, a variety of materials on the upper. You've got suede, as well as canvas, and you've got some leather material as well. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the Suede Toe Box, along with the textile toe cap, and you've got this mountain blue overlay right below the tongue with a white Nike swoosh. The tongue is the same material as the toe cap is, and you've also got mountain blue laces. And the tongue tag is blue with a white Nike swoosh. The insole is Work Blue with a white Nike swoosh. The lateral features the suede paneling with the leather mountain blue Nike swoosh, and you also have white eye stays. The heel is suede, and you've got a white Nike swoosh. And for the top of the heel, you've got the canvas material in Work Blue. The medial is similar to the lateral, so you've got the suede upper along with the leather Nike swoosh. The midsole is white with the visible air unit. And the shoe features a white outsole with yellow detailing by the heel and by the toe. The material in the shoe feel very, very premium. Like the quality on this is great. However, I'm not a fan of the little tiny Nike swoosh right here. I never understood why Nike did the two swooshes. Like there's no need for it. But outside of that, it's a great colorway and it's clean as hell too. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Air Max 1 Premium Work Blue hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on August 11th for a retail price of $130. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.